Hi everyone, I'm Eddie from E&S Computers, and today we've got this Acer Aspire 5 series that is not turning on. If I press the power button, and it's not, well, there you go, nothing. The light's on, but it's not doing anything. So let's crack on and sort this out. Right, so let's go ahead and open her up. Right, now I'm going to unplug the battery because this isn't screwed in, it's actually held in by the screws on the bottom casing. So I'm just going to remove the battery for the moment. So we've got, you see, fan obviously, there's RAM. Now I do believe this one, it's got 4 meg on the board, and this here, let's see what this one is. Yeah, that is that's a 4 gigabytes. Right, okay, well, let's just try seeing if that was the RAM that was possibly causing the problem. There's a moment of truth. So lights on. And nothing. Let's try again. Okay. Right. Okay, let's see. Right. I'm going to put the bottom back on so it's easier. No. Right. Okay. Oh, and we actually have something. So yeah, it looks like it was possibly the RAM that was causing problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over to HDMI. And see if we can get it booting. Okay. Okay. Let me just come back in a minute. Right. So it's not outputting at the moment to the HDMI capture device, which I was slightly expecting because it's a HP laptop. Sorry, it's a Acer laptop. So, right, we'll have to proceed as best as we can. Right, so we're just going to go across, and as you can see, this has got Windows 11 on it. So I'm going to go to troubleshoot and down to advanced, and then I'm just going to try start up repair and see if it does fix it. Sometimes it will do, sometimes it won't. No. Right. Okay, so across to advanced, troubleshoot, advanced. So now what I'm going to have to do is we can try doing a system restore and see if that will. There is no system restore points. Okay. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go to command prompt and run a check disk. Let's see if I can. Sorry about the angle. First of all, we want to see what drive or what partition the Windows is on. Yes, I know it's C, but when it boots into the recovery, sometimes it doesn't label the main drive, the main partition as C. It will put it under D or E or something like that, depending on where on the disk that partition is. So okay, so I'm going to run a check disk. Now this is an SSD here, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Right, so that has now finished. So let's go ahead and do a restart and see if that has sorted the problem. No, it hasn't. Right, I think this is going to be more of a data recovery and a factory reset, so I'll get on with that and get it done. But at least we've now got it booting up, so that's the good thing. At least it's working. Alright, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Please click like and subscribe and help me grow this channel. And yeah, take care. Be kind to each other. See you soon. Bye.